Ever wondered how some people seem to attract wealth with ease while others struggle? Today, we're diving into a perspective shift that might just change everything for you. We're talking about abundance, but not just your bank account balance. We're talking about a richness of life that encompasses prosperity, joy, and fulfillment in every sense. Imagine a life where your cup overflows, not just with wealth, but with happiness, creativity, love, and purpose. This is the power of abundance. It's a holistic approach to life that goes beyond material wealth. It's about fostering an environment of prosperity in all aspects of your life. Now, the key element here is your mindset. It's our beliefs and attitudes that shape our realities. A mindset that's open to abundance attracts just that. It's about shifting your perspective, believing in your worth, and opening yourself up to the limitless possibilities of the universe. The secret lies in our mindset and the power of manifesting abundance. Scene script. Manifesting abundance is not a mystery, but a process that you can master. Let's delve deeper into this process. First and foremost, it's essential to have clarity. What does abundance mean to you? Is it financial freedom, a healthy relationship, or perhaps inner peace? Your definition of abundance is unique to you, and it's important to clarify this before moving forward. Once you've defined your abundance, the next step is to set clear intentions. This is where you articulate your desires. Be specific and detailed about what you want to manifest. If it's financial abundance you seek, how much money do you want to make? If it's a relationship, what kind of partner do you desire? The clearer your intentions, the easier it is for the universe to understand and deliver. But setting intentions is not enough. You must align your actions with those intentions. If you want to manifest a healthier body, for instance, it's not enough to just wish for it. You need to eat healthier, exercise regularly, and take care of your mental health. Your actions send a powerful message to the universe about your commitment to your intentions. Maintaining a positive attitude is also crucial in the manifestation process. The energy you put out into the world is what you attract back. So keep your thoughts, feelings, and actions positive. Believe in your ability to manifest your desires and trust the universe to deliver. Visualization is another powerful tool in the manifestation process. Imagine your life as you want it to be. Feel the emotions associated with living that life. The more real it feels, the more effective your manifestation will be. Lastly, express gratitude. Be thankful for what you already have and for what you're about to receive. Gratitude sends a signal to the universe that you're ready for more abundance. Remember, the universe responds to your energy, thoughts, and feelings, so keep them positive and focused on your abundance goals. Let's take a quick recap of what we've learned about manifesting abundance. The process begins with cultivating a positive mindset. Remember, your thoughts have power, and they shape your reality. If you believe in abundance and prosperity, that's what you'll attract. So make a conscious effort to replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Next, setting clear intentions is crucial. You need to know exactly what you want to manifest. Be specific about your goals, whether they're financial, material, or emotional. Write them down and revisit them often. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Once you've set your intentions, align your actions with them. This means taking steps towards your goals every day, no matter how small. Every action you take is a seed planted, and with time and nurturing, it can grow into the abundance you desire. Visualization is another powerful tool. Imagine your life as you want it to be in vivid detail. See yourself living in abundance, enjoying your success, and feeling fulfilled. This isn't just daydreaming, it's an essential part of the manifestation process. Visualization helps turn your thoughts into reality by aligning your subconscious mind with your conscious goals. And finally, practice gratitude. Show appreciation for what you already have and for what is yet to come. Gratitude creates a positive cycle of abundance, as the more grateful you are, the more you will attract to be grateful for. Also, let's not forget that abundance is not merely about financial wealth. It's about happiness, fulfillment, and prosperity in all areas of your life. It's about living a life that's rich in experiences, love, and joy. So to manifest abundance, you need to cultivate a positive mindset, set clear intentions, align your actions with your intentions, practice visualization, and express gratitude regularly. With these steps, you are now equipped to begin your journey towards manifesting abundance. Remember, the power is within you.